Green, you're going to go right after blue.
Right after me. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm up here as an opposition whip to debate about this House would ban advertisement target on children. So I'm going to insist that our stance is that banning advertisement is an indirect way of solving problem. So education for both parents and children is the way to go. Okay, before I move on to my clash points, I'd like to tell that party didn't accept my POI, and my POI was, what about if the interest of the children's age of 7 and 8 are the same? So how can you manage this? Because you'll ban the advertisement target on children under the 6 or 7. So they have the same similar interest. So you can ban it because the children at age 8 will also have the same interest too. Okay, I'll bring up 3 clash points. First is that banning versus education. Second is the family problem, and third is economic. Okay, on the first clash point about banning, I'm going to take some POI first.
You're saying that the advertisement that aim on children is the advertisement aim on children whose age is 6 years old, and the children who's below than 6 years old was so innocent, and they are going to believe the message that the advertisement aim on the advertisement.
I understand that now, but I told you that the children's age 6 and 7 have similar interests. So if you ban the advertisement target on 6, you also have to ban advertisement target on 7. Okay, my clash point, first clash point is that banning versus education. Banning, if you ban the advertisement, that means that you will not let the parents teach their kids that what is right or what is wrong. And advertisement is the advertisement from the television and wherever they see is the part where parents can communicate with their children. So this leads to my next clash point, which is family problem. The family problem, there will be no family problem if you ban this, because if you not ban this, the children and the parents will have more time to communicate with each other, and if in this way it will improve their relation, which the children will respect more on their parents. To my third clash point is the economic. There will be no economic clash or crisis if you let the status quo go on, because if you give education to both parents and children, they will know that how the parents will know that how will they teach the children, and the children will know that how will they think that this thing is right or this thing is wrong. So that you say that there will be an economic crisis because the children will have disease and everything else. And so if you do it my way, the way of giving education for both parents and children, the children will not be able to eat that snack or whatever under their parents' permission. Okay, so that's why I'm up here, believe that my case is strong enough to win this debate.